Wait, guys, are you struggling to speak English with words not coming to your mind? Do you feel blank when it comes to speak English? If yes, then you are at the right place. Most people say that you need a friend or a family member to whom you can speak. But I disagree. I say no, that's not at all. You don't need a friend or a family member to whom you can speak. If you want to know how, then watch this video till the end. And there's a bonus tip for you as well. So this is Usman. In this video, I'll share the three very easy and practical methods with live demonstration to improve your communication skills for free and without any extra cost. You can become a pro English speaker in just a few weeks. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So the first method is with ChatGPT. Wait guys, it's not about just writing and getting feedback. Just download ChatGPT on your mobile, log in and you are good to go. Let's watch the demonstration. So the first step is to open ChatGPT app. Tap on the voice option and say in English, "Hello buddy, I hope you are doing great. I want your help in improving my communication skills. I have a few strategies that might help, but I look forward to your suggestions." So my suggestion is that tell me any short story and then I'll go through it, retain the important points and rephrase it. You should just check how much the information I retained. Tell me about the clarity in my speech, what are the gray areas, etc. and so on. So now ChatGPT will tell you the short stories like the hare and the tortoise or the boy who cried wolf wolf, etc. So what you have to do, read them aloud, understand the main points and then speak out. After speaking, ChatGPT will tell you how much you retain the essence of the original text that it provided in the start, if your sentence structure was good or not, and if there was clarity in your speech or not. Note where you lagged and incorporate the suggestions that ChatGPT will provide in your next try. Repeat until you are satisfied. So practice this every day with a new story for a month and you will see a significant improvement. But remember, consistency is the key. Now let's move on to the second method, that is interactive story completion. So this method involves an interactive approach with ChatGPT. Type the following command, propose a brief start of the story and then I'll complete it. So first of all, ChatGPT will initiate a story, it will add something and then you have to add some points and then ChatGPT and then you and so on. So practice this approach until you are fed up. But here the most important point is start this method after practicing the first one for a few days. Your sentence structure and brainstorming will be improved, making this exercise enjoyable. Watch me demonstrate. So after practicing the methods that I told you in the video, move to a higher level, that is scenario based questions. Give ChatGPT a command, propose some scenario based questions and I'll respond, analyze my answers and propose improvements. So understand the scenarios that ChatGPT will provide and respond in English. This exercise will boost your mind power, your brainstorming abilities, and your comprehension skills. You will confidently think and speak in English, reducing your response time and easily passing the exams like IELTS or any job interview. So moving on to the final part of today's video, that is the bonus tip. But before I share the bonus tip, I want to congratulate you all for stepping up and starting this new learning journey. But remember, consistency is very crucial in this stage. So the bonus tip is to practice all the methods that I shared in this video in front of a mirror or a laptop camera. Record yourself and review to see where you can improve. Remember that practicing in front of the mirror can cut your learning time in half. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more spicy updates. Lastly, keep practicing, stay consistent and soon you will speak English confidently and fluently.